In a bid to halt King Misuzulu from accessing public funds from the Ingonyama Trust, the court heard an urgent application brought by Prince Mbonisi and others. The court heard that King Misuzulu allegedly signed a letter where he purported that the Ingonyama Trust would pay his legal fees. King Misuzulu is the trustee of the Ingonyama Trust and interim chairperson of the board. The trust oversees 3 million hectares of traditional land in KwaZulu-Natal. Prince Mbonisi's legal team told the court that there was a new Ingonyama Trust board appointed and that public funds allocated from the trust should be lawful in nature.
Our clients, which happen to be Abatwana Bendlu Kabusha, have approached the court to say it is unlawful for the king to use the public funds to fight the factional battles of the throne. Because if that's the case, everyone then who is challenging him should be equally supported. But so what has happened is that they were also disputing that this matter needed to be heard by the court on the basis of agency, but the court has agreed with us that the matter is agent equally. That is why the matter is proceeding. But we still stand firm, as we have seen our counsel presenting the case, that this matter of unlawfulness is impacting on the governance of the trust, and in fact it is depleting the asset of the Zulu kingdom.
Judge Peter Olsen questioned if there was any evidence that the new board had in fact used monies from the trust to fund the king. King Misuzulu's legal counsel argued that there was no evidence to prove unlawful expenditure occurred and that the application before the court was a vague submission and speculation with no merit.
It is clear that the attempt by Prince Mbonisi to strip the king of his powers has been exposed and has been laid bare as a veiled attempt to try and usurp the power of the law. We can see that the whole thrust is to ensure that the king is without legal representation and to ensure that the king does not perform his duties as provided for in the law. We are confident that at the conclusion of this case, the king's position will be reaffirmed and that this attempt by Prince Mbonisi to try and usurp the throne through the back door will be defeated.
Meanwhile, outside court there was a strong police presence. AmaZulu warriors Amabuto were also outside the court to support their king. The case resumes tomorrow. Jade Paulser, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.